I'm Chris for Tippy Gaming, and today we're taking a look at another booster for the Walking Dead All Out War by Mantic Games. So here we're going to take a look at Aaron and Eric. Got the Mantic point. Two Call to Arms cards for Eric and Aaron. And then they're called All Out War cards as well. So we have them both being the Atlanta camp survivors. So we've got for Aaron, melee of white, shoot of white, defense of white and red. High nerve, 44 points, 5 health. Skilled negotiator. As an action, Aaron may target one enemy survivor and one friendly survivor within 6 inches. Roll the black dice. On a shield, target enemy must lose 1 action in its next activation, and target friendly model gains +1 action in its next activation. So, quite handy when you're in a pinch there. Eric, red melee, red shoot, 2 red defense, 4 health, 25 points. He's another one where you just have some bodies on the field, just kind of get them in there, pick up some equipment and then get out really. Moral support. When performing a hold your nerve action, Eric may make 1 additional roll for every friendly Atlanta survivor in his kill zone, up to a maximum of 3 rolls. So he's going to be really good for keeping games going if you're in a good position and you want to maximise damage that you're dealing. Or maybe if you're not in a good position, you can kind of tilt the balance a little bit. Really handy against if you draw like a thunderstorm or something like that. So equipment that we're getting, ATV special item, that lets you move a bit more, basically a horse. Yeah, basically just you've given them a horse. Can't climb or enter buildings. Attach up to 2 items, and you add a red dice to the survivor's defense. Listening item, listening listening device must be equipped to use. Once per activation, nominate 1 enemy survivor within 20 inches. No line of sight is required. That survivor must roll a shield on a black dice or lose 1 activation its next 1 action its next activation. And a shoulder holster, similar to what we had with Rick, where it's a body armor piece or a body slot piece, and you can put a gun in it. And we have this perspex thing here for ATV. So if you're using that, just put your thing on there as well. It's giving you a little bit more area that you're on, which is only fair if you're on an ATV, and it means you don't really need a model of a character on an ATV either, which is always handy. Okay, so we've got 2 characters in here. We have Aaron with his head, his body and stuff there. And you've got an assault rifle that'll fit on his back, and then the knife hand there as well. Then we've got Eric, who has a rifle that can go on his back. Then he's got a crowbar and an empty hand as well. We've got 2 bases for them.